Hi, everyone, and welcome back to JSA TV, where we're coming to you today live from the floor of PTC'26 here in beautiful Waikiki, Hawaii. We're so lucky to be here, and I am happy to be joined today by Matt Caldwell, who's the Director of AI and Cloud Data Centers for Hyper Solutions. Matt, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me. I love what you and Jamie have done with JSA and happy to be on the channel.
Thank you. We're really happy to have you. I know you're a longtime friend of JSA, and Hyper, I think, has been on JSA TV before. We're happy to be talking to you today. And just for our viewers who may not have caught an intro previous, can you tell us a little bit about Hyper and how you're supporting the AI age?
Sure. So Hyper Solutions is the leading manufacturer of electrical distribution equipment. And one of our main differentiators is we can deliver at scale. So what I'd like to do is present you with a challenge coin that we've been giving out to the industry. So this particular one has to do with quality. And it's one of our 5 throughways. So not only quality, but transparency, innovation, speed, and on-time delivery. So I'd like to present this to you.
Thank you. That's amazing. I love that. Thank you. And so let's talk a little bit more. I know you're talking this week at PTC to probably hundreds of people, but you're talking, among other things, about prefabricated modules. What's that conversation looking like for you?
Yeah, so I mean, prefabricated modules have been around the entire time I've been in the data center industry, so 20 plus years. And they haven't really taken off at scale yet. And the reason being is, legacy enterprise data centers, maybe you're building a 5 or 10 megawatt data center every 3 to 5 years. So there wasn't really that challenge that the modules alleviated the pain point for. But what we're seeing today is, these hyperscalers, these AI deployments, you're delivering 200 megawatts of capacity every month, every quarter, and keeping up with that demand, it requires that you have a prefabricated delivery. And one of the challenges is around labor, right? If you're building a gigawatt campus in the middle of West Texas or North Dakota, getting the labor force out there to build at that scale is a real challenge. So building offsite and delivering prefabricated 2 or 3 megawatt blocks of power just increases the speed of deployment and alleviates some of those labor challenges.
Yeah, that's so important, and we hear about that a lot, like these common threads of pressure points throughout the industry. So that's great that you have a response and some solutions to that. Now, I want to talk to you too. I know that there was a LinkedIn post that I believe went up this week about the NVIDIA Reuben chip.
Yep.
Tell us about that.
Yeah, so that kind of went viral, and I've been getting asked a lot of questions about that, mainly about the comment that Jensen made about eliminating chillers in the data center. And I'm not saying there's not any validity to that statement. Like the higher water temperature definitely gonna alleviate some of the strain on the chillers that we've been seeing, but it's not gonna be the magic bullet that eliminates chillers throughout. And the reason being is it may be in principle that you could eliminate in certain scenarios, but in most scenarios you're going to need some sort of trim chilling. And also, not every data center is an AI data center. There's still a significant amount of more enterprise loads migrating to the cloud, which has a lower density. And finally, like in the data center community, there's IT gets out ahead of some of the data center design. So it's going to take some time for the Reuben chip and the next generation of NVIDIA chip to influence the design of the data centers. But pivoting from the cooling side to the power side, 3-5 years ago, even 100 kW rack was considered, super high density. And now we're talking about 500 kW, 1 megawatt, even 2 megawatt racks. And on the power side, I think we're going to see a shift from low voltage AC to 800 volt DC or even medium voltage to the rack. And kind of teasing something here, but maybe water-cooled electrical distribution equipment instead of these large air-cooled, transformer PDUs. Yeah. So that's kind of one of the differentiators of Hyper as well, is that we're not just putting product and forcing our customers into it, we're listening to our customers. And we have a UL lab, so we're testing out ideas and then building those ideas at scale to help our customers meet the demands of AI going forward.
Amazing. Matt, it's always great to chat with you and to have you here today talking about Hyper and all of these great insights and the developments and the ways that you're innovating for the future. And so thank you so much for taking the time out of a really, really busy week.
It has been busy, and thank you for the opportunity. I appreciate it.
Of course. We look forward to the next time.
Great.
And thank you to our viewers for tuning in again to JSA TV, where we're coming to you today live from PTC 2026. Until next time.